Students, you are welcome at my channel Poonam Pannu English
Now we
Point.
are going to do future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense means an action which is very uncertain and there is no clue regarding this. Future is very remote and it's also uncertain. In future tense, there is no any desire or willingness of a person because an activity which will be happen in the future, that is uncertain. So now we will complete future indefinite tense. As far as sentence formation is concerned, in English, that is subject, will, shall, then first form of the verb, then object. Means future indefinite tense. Subject, then will, shall, then first form of the verb and object. Future tense always inflected by these words will and shall. And these words are also will be used in this manner. I, we, shall will be used. He, she, it, you, they, and all singular things. And plural things means whatever is there. Then we use will. For simple future, if we are talking about that, will, shall, then first form of the verb will be used in future indefinite tense. In Hindi, if we find such words, ga, ge, ki, in the last of the sentence, it means this is future indefinite tense. Suppose वह स्कूल जाएगा. In the last of the sentence there is the word. It means automatically it comes in our mind that we are using here future indefinite tense. He will go to school. It means in the last of the sentence we find the. So automatically what we will use? Will. He, she, it, you, singular things, plural things. Will be used with I and we. Suppose if you talk about that man पढ़ने के लिए जाऊंगा. Then I shall go to school for study. This is future indefinite tense. This is simple sentence. Means he, she, it. We have used will. We used shall. Now in negative sentence. If we talk about negative sense, we know subject, then will or shall, then no, then first form of the verb, then object. It means in future indefinite tense we will use here will, shall, then no, then first form, then object. This is negative sentence. Now, for example, I shall not give him my book. And if we talk about interrogative sentence, then remember what we use, will, shall. Then will, shall, then subject, then first form of the action, then object. And we know interrogative sentence always ask for question, so question mark is there. Then example, shall I give him my book? These are simple negative and interrogative sentence. This is future indefinite tense. Now we will learn about its uses, where we use simple future tense. Now this is first use, to denote a future action or event. Means to define an action which is going to be happen in the future. Suppose we shall play cricket tomorrow. Another example, they will give test on Monday. It means to define an action which is going to be happen in future. अगर नियर फ्यूचर की बात हो रही है, अगर कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट इवेंट which will take place in future, then it means there is future indefinite tense. Second use, to denote the principal class of a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence, if we talk about, and there is principal clause, then it means we will use here future indefinite tense. Suppose if condition is asked in present tense, if he works hard, he will pass. Means if we put an condition in present time, then our future will be effective. अगर हम present tense में कोई condition रखते हैं, then definitely हमारा जो future है वो effective होगा. अगर वो कड़ी मेहनत करता है, it means at present time he works hard, तो उसका future effect होगा. उसके future पे क्या effect पड़ेगा? He will pass. वो पास हो जाएगा. If you learn all things completely, you will crack the exam. Means प्रेजेंट टाइम की कंडीशन क्या है? टू लर्न द थिंग्स. तो अगर आपका प्रिंसिपल कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है और प्रेजेंट में आपकी कोई भी कंडीशन रखी जाती है, तो डेफिनेटली उसका फ्यूचर इफेक्टिव होता है. तो फ्यूचर टेंस हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? टू एक्सप्रेस या टू डिनोट या टू डिफाइन द प्रिंसिपल क्लास ऑफ अ कंडीशनल sentence. Means condition रखी जाती present time में, then it will be effective in future. So these are the uses of future indefinite tense. To denote a future action or event, in simple future we talk about. To denote the principal class of a conditional sentence. I hope you all understood. Thank you.